On special occasions, why not bring royal flavors to the table? Today, I have one such recipe for you which is spicy and tangy. So let's quickly see the recipe for Lucknowi Achari Gobi. I've divided the recipe into two parts. So in the first part, I'm going to be cooking the cauliflower or the gobi. Heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, into this I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of kalonji or onion seeds, 3 green chilies roughly chopped, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Saute all these ingredients for a few seconds. So I have over here around 300 grams of cauliflower florets. Add in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste. Toss all these ingredients together. Cover and let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Let's add in some water. Cover and let the cauliflower cook till they're 80% done. Let's check on this. The cauliflowers are cooked. Let's get it out of the pan. Moving on to the next part, which is to make the gravy. I'm going to cheat a little bit and use ready-made achar masala, but if you wish to make it fresh, you can check the ingredients in the description box below. So now let's heat up some oil again. 1.5 tablespoon of oil, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, once the onions are nice and soft, add in 2 tomatoes peeled and finely chopped. Add in a little bit of salt to cook the tomatoes quickly. Cover and let this cook till the tomatoes are soft. Let's check on this. Once the tomatoes are soft, mash them slightly and now let's add in all the dry spices. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander cumin seed powder, 1 tablespoon of fennel seed powder, 1 tablespoon of achar masala, or you can even add in mango pickle or the spice mix from the description box. Mix all these ingredients properly and cook it for 1 or 2 minutes. 1/4 cup curd. Give it a quick mix. Keep mashing the tomatoes as well. Add in some water to deglaze the pan. Coriander leaves. Now add in the cooked cauliflower, half a capsicum cut lengthwise, 1 onion cut into rings. Toss all these ingredients very gently. Coat the cauliflower with the gravy. Time to plate. This recipe is a very good combination of tradition and taste. It's perfect for gatherings and special dinners. So do try this at home, comment below and subscribe to Rajyee Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.